Okay, I am now doing the video for the root beer, part of the fermentation lab. I got my 2-liter bottle. I used a measuring cup. I filled it up with a cup of sugar, and I couldn't find a funnel, so I made one out of paper. And I used it that way. I did it off video in case I spilt and made a big mess, but I didn't, so that's good. Then I used a 1/4 teaspoon. It really is, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a quarter of a teaspoon of yeast, and I poured that in there as well. So that's as far as I got with this. Now it says to put the lid on the bottle and shake to mix the sugar and the yeast. So I'm gonna shake it around. Swirl it around. It does say now swirl the mixture in the bottom of the bottle to make it concave. Okay, I'll try. I don't know how concave it is, but might be okay. Use a funnel and add 1 tablespoon of root beer extract. Again, I don't have a funnel. I should probably invest in one, but I'm just gonna do my best here. So it does say to add 1 tablespoon. I have 1/2 tablespoon again, so I'm gonna use that twice. Okay, there's a little thing on here. So this is my root beer extract. I'm gonna just pour it over the sink in case I spill. Okay. Well, now I wish I had a funnel. I'm gonna just do this over the sink. Maybe I'll pause you real quick. Okay, I'm back. So I was able to pour this in there very carefully. I spilt a little, but I made up for it. So I have my 1 tablespoon of root beer extract in my 2-liter bottle. Now it says half the bottle with water and rinse the extract from the tablespoon and funnel into the bottle. Rinse extract. Okay. Well, I'm gonna fill this up with the water halfway. So it says maybe rinse this into the bottle. I don't have the funnel, but I can just go ahead and put the remains of it in there. Well, it didn't really work, but filling it up with water anyway. Maybe I'll pause you again during this. Okay, so my bottle is half full with water. It's got the sugar and stuff on the bottom. Now it just says add water to bottle until bottle is almost full. Leave 1 inch of head space. Tightly screw the lid on. Invert the bottle several times. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so here's my bottle. Leave 1 inch of headspace. Maybe that's a little over 1 inch, but I think it'll be okay. Putting the lid on. Okay, I'm gonna invert several times. I notice the sugar's still quite stuck in the bottom, so I'll have to do this a few times. But after I get this all mixed up, it says leave at room temperature until bottle is hard to squeeze, then refrigerate. Leaving bottle at room temperature increases the possibility that it will explode. Okay, so I'm gonna be careful with that. Serve cold and open contents carefully. Okay. All right, so I got my bottle. I'm gonna leave it out for a little bit and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. So thank you, and that concludes my lab on making root beer. Thanks, bye.